Hey guys, Zach Ginn here. The title is correct. As of today, as of right now, I have deleted everything out of freewholesaling.com, the free wholesaling course. Every single download, every single freebie I gave out, my contracts, my scripts, the hundreds of hours of videos, I've deleted everything. I've closed off freewholesaling.com. You can't even join it right now if you wanted to. I even stopped access to zachdiscord.com. Now, if you are in freewholesaling.com or zachdiscord.com, yes, if you did join before this video, you are still active in the community and you can still be in it. But as of this recording, you can't join it or can't even really see any information in it because I deleted everything out of my free course. So what I want to do in today's video is explain why. Before I break this down, I want to thank you for being in the course and joining the communities that we've had, right? And I'm also grateful for the hundreds of thousands of lives I have helped through wholesaling real estate and teaching it completely for free. But going forward, there's going to be some big changes happening. And you do deserve an explanation why and the exact reasonings. Now, there's two reasons why I've made this move and really what's going to be happening going forward. Number one, this is hard to say, but I'm frankly disgusted with myself with the quality we have in this course. Now, it's great stuff. Like, I think it's one of the best information you can possibly get in wholesaling real estate, but I truly do believe, in sleeping on this for a while now, for at least this past 6 months, the quality of the course can be better. It's too long. There's just too much information in it. And to be honest with you, a lot of it's just old regurgitated YouTube videos. A lot of my haters, a lot of real estate coaches and mentors have been saying this for years that, oh, he's just using old YouTube videos. It's not really like new exclusive stuff. And you can kind of get that anywhere. And maybe the haters were actually right. And so for that reason, I've shut down everything I have right now. Now, before you start defending me in the comments and say, no, it's great, please bring it back, we're going to do something going forward. But that's not really the main reason. The main reason I'm doing this is most of you guys haven't taken what I've given you seriously. I wish I could say that as like a push or a pull to like get into something, but like you seriously haven't really valued what I've given. And to be frank, a lot of my friends and a lot of people in the wholesaling space tell me every single day, it's because it's free. Zach, if you spent $100,000 to go create a couple videos and put it in the course and you make it free, no one's going to care. But if you put a $500 paid price tag on it, people would actually care about it. And before you say, no, I do value it, Zach, maybe you, but the hundreds of thousands of people that have been through this course right throughout the years, a vast majority of them don't. And I've seen this firsthand. For example, look at zachdiscord.com. We are approaching 25,000 people in that Discord. It's an extremely fun, awesome community of successful wholesalers. But the amount of engagement I get on the streams, the amount of engagement I get on the weekly Discord streams and the people talking with each other is nowhere near the engagement of other peers that have $30 or $20 a month paid memberships for the Discord. Like, there are people that charge $20 a month to be in their Discord, and it's just way more people want to go participate and ask questions and try to help each other out because I paid money to be in here. I better start spending more attention here. And don't get me started on the freewholesaling.com. When I ask you like, hey, why aren't you successful? They say, well, I went through your course, Zach. And I say, what do you mean you've been through the course? You don't sound like you know it. Like, well, I went through a couple of them, but not all of them. Because you didn't pay $5,000 to go through it. If you paid $5,000, you watched the whole thing and you wouldn't be asking me questions of why am I not successful? Because you would have spent the money and went through all the information. So a lot of stuff this past year has really gone through my head. Maybe I should make everything paid and the YouTube can be free. Maybe I should just sell a $15,000 massive mentorship program and call it a day. A lot of thoughts have been going through my mind of how I can make wholesaling better. And what I currently have right now is just not good enough. So here's what I've decided. I'm going dark this weekend. You're going to be living in a world without a free wholesaling course. It's been 5 years since this happened, but there's going to be no content in the course. I'm not letting anybody even join the course anymore for this weekend. I'm still going to do a live stream tonight in the Discord. If you're in the Discord, I'm still going to go live on Sunday on YouTube. You can't join them if you aren't even a community member anymore. And on Monday, I'm going to have probably my biggest announcement ever. Now, I'll be honest with you. It's going to be brutal. It's going to be raw. It's going to be honest, and it's going to shock a lot of people. Now, because I've said this, everyone for the next 3 days is going to speculate. What's going on? Am I just going to quit YouTube? I mean, I have millions and millions of dollars, and the passive income I make, I could still make millions of dollars by just not doing anything. Why do I give all this free content if you guys aren't even going to use it? Am I going to go even harder in the paint doing free stuff? Am I going to do a little bit of both? Am I going to make the course free? Am I going to do a $20 a month Discord, or vice versa? Am I going to make the course $50 a month? Or am I just going to keep everything deleted and quit this business? Maybe I just go all in on X leads and just make that the best thing. Because everyone that buys X leads, they go all in and learn it, and they become successful with that. I know exactly what the answer is. I'm not going to tell you, but I will tell you one statement which is going to shock you. Any single video that you've seen in freewholesaling.com will not return. Not one. So the old freewholesaling.com is dead. So whatever I've deleted will not be returning. And that is me on my word. And the title that is coming out on Monday, and I don't say this lightly, is going to shock the wholesaling world. So stay tuned. I'll see you Monday at 1 p.m. I'm not going live. I'm just going to record the video, and I'm going to sit back and watch the most shocking announcement I've done yet. See you on Monday.